Hi you guys, welcome to my grocery haul video for this week. I just picked up all of our groceries from Walmart. I'll share with you everything we got along with our meal plan for everything that we're having this week. I have it in my meal planning book, so I'll share that with you. I'm also going to share with you, I got this new little blender that I've been making smoothies with. I'll share that with you as well. So if you're new to my channel, my name's Molly. I love sharing with you my grocery hauls and my meal plans for the week to help you get motivated to make a meal plan for yourself. So if you're new, make sure you click subscribe. I share with you every week our meal plan and our grocery haul. So let me share with you everything I got this week. So this week I was under budget. I'm still trying to kind of get a grasp on everything after Thanksgiving. So definitely trying to eat healthy when we can. We have some functions this weekend coming up. So definitely going to be doing lots of appetizers and whatnot. So I will share with you everything that we're making. But here is the grocery haul. I will start over here. I got a lot of fruit, some extra fruit this week. I'm going to be doing a fruit salad for a family function that we're going to. So I got strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, grapes. We go through a lot of grapes throughout the week. Got bananas for the week and then apples as well. We go through a lot of. I got a bag of tortilla chips. I haven't gotten a lot of chips lately, but now my kids are obsessed with guacamole. So I just give them an avocado and they go to town and mash it all up and make their own little guacamole. They don't put anything else in it, just the avocado, but they love it. So it's kind of fun for them to make a little guacamole snack. So got some chips and I got some extra avocados as well this week. Some Ritz crackers for an appetizer I'm making. I get a whole wheat Ritz. I really prefer them over the regular. So this is cherry pie filling for another appetizer. I'm going to be doing a lot of appetizer videos coming up with the holidays here. I am usually the one in charge of appetizers in our family. So whenever we have a family get together, I'm usually the one bringing appetizers. So I have a lot coming up to show you. Some tortilla bowls. These are little taco bowls that my kids love. We do a lot of taco nights. I stocked up on mac and cheese spirals. I got 3 boxes of these to have in the pantry just in case. It's not on my meal plan, but in case we need to mix things up, have that in the pantry. Some onion soup mix. This is going to go in a crock pot recipe. Sandwich thins. These are what my husband uses for his lunches. This is my favorite dressing, Skinny Girl poppy seed dressing. It is fat-free, sugar-free. It is 10 calories per serving, and this stuff is so delicious. I have been eating a lot of salads, because of the holidays, trying to eat healthy when I can, and this dressing has just been absolutely delicious, so I am obsessed with it. I got some cooking spray that I needed in the pantry. This chili sauce for another appetizer that you guys have been recommending this appetizer to me for a long time. Meatballs with chili sauce and grape jelly. So be on the lookout for that one. I got some veggie straws, a fun little snack I'm going to put in the kids' lunches. This is a pretty big bag. It'll last a while. Some green tea. My husband and I both do green tea. We don't do coffee. This is a little bag. I substituted it. I got the regular brand, but this is just as good. Dried sweetened cranberries and candied pecans. So this goes amazing with my poppy seed dressing and mixed greens. So I have some leftover lettuce from last week because I got a humongous thing of it. So that's going to go into my salads. Peanut butter needed for the pantry. Pickles down here. Definitely, we've been kind of in a pickle kick lately. So got a big jar of that. Jalapeno pepper jelly for an appetizer, of course. Crescent rolls back here for an appetizer. I love crescent roll appetizers. All my canned stuff here for some chili. If you've been around, I have seriously been obsessed with chili. Like, I cannot get enough of it. I have been making it for my lunch, meal prepping it up for the week for quite a while now, like over a month. I honestly can't get sick of it. So I have been making it every week for my lunch and I just love it so, so much. In my chili, I do a ranch seasoning packet and then a mild chili seasoning packet as well. So I'll be making that for my lunches. Milk for the week, regular milk, almond milk, cottage cheese. My kids love cottage cheese and I do too. One of my favorite snacks is cottage cheese. Yogurts. I got my husband some little ones. They substituted it. I got like a 4-pack, but they gave me 4 individuals. I got him these smaller ones because it's easier just to transport for lunches and whatnot on the weekends. If we're going out and about, we kind of pack our food. If we're going somewhere where there's not like a good place to eat, we pack what we're going to have. So these little cups are just convenient for that. And then a big one for when he has yogurt like at home. Some heavy whipping cream for a recipe, cream cheese for appetizers, little smokies, more appetizers. You guys, I am seriously going to be going crazy this weekend on appetizers. We have 2 family events, so I am going to bring at least 3 appetizers to each one. Some spinach artichoke dip. This is going to be part of an appetizer, of course. Here's the avocados. Like I said, my kids have been obsessed with guacamole. Broccoli. We do a lot of broccoli. Carrots for snacks. Ground turkey for my chili. Chicken that we grill up. We do at least a pack of chicken a week. My husband makes a chicken sandwich for lunch, and we just do a lot of chicken. A big box of eggs. This is a box of 60 eggs, and we really love eggs. Eggs for breakfast, eggs, hard-boiled eggs for snacks. So we go through quite a bit of eggs, and especially now with the holidays, probably going to be doing some more baking as well. So definitely always need lots of eggs. All right, so here is the groceries. Let me show you the meal plan. And then like I said, I'll also show you my new blender that I'm using with smoothies. So like I mentioned earlier, I was under budget this week. I wrote down I was at $184.71. I like to be at 200 or under. Under is always better, of course. So for breakfast here, I just write down eggs, chicken, apple sausage, and avocado is my favorite breakfast. Lunch, ground turkey chili, of course. And then my mixed green salad. I could just live off of these 2 things right now. For dinner, we're going to do chicken noodle soup. It has been cold and wet here lately, so definitely soup is on the menu for sure. Taco Tuesday, we have basketball on Tuesdays, and so I don't have a ton of time to get things cooked up for dinner. Crockpot recipes are great on basketball nights, but tacos are just really, really quick, and my kids, they always ask me, like, is it Tuesday? Do we get to have Taco Tuesday? So, doing Taco Tuesday this week. We're going to do chicken teriyaki rice bowls, spaghetti and meatballs on Thursday, crockpot burritos on Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday, we have 2 functions where I'm going to be taking lots of appetizers. So, that's the meal plan, all of the groceries, and I hope you enjoyed this week. I hope it gave you some motivation on some meal planning for yourself and for your family. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe, and let's check out this new smoothie blender. So I needed a new little blender. I love making smoothies, but the blender that I had, it has just had to go. And so I got this one, has wonderful reviews. I'm going to unbox it to show you exactly how it comes. So here is everything. It comes with lots of different cups, a couple different blades. This is very similar to a NutriBullet, which is what I had before, which is no longer with me. So let me pull this out. So here is the bottom part. Here is some different cups, a few different ones. So you can pick your size. It's got some rings here. Here's a little bit bigger cup, and some more caps. Comes with the user manual, of course. And I think here is some nutritious and healthy recipes on some different smoothies to make. I love smoothies. I seriously, sometimes I just get a total smoothie kick. I'm making them like every day. So this is kind of fun. I could mix things up and try some new things here. There's banana, there's an orange one, some frozen cherries in this one, a spinach one to get your greens. So really, really great. So all of this comes all in the box, everything you need. So let's see, let me take the plastic off of these things. So this is just a smaller size cup, which is really great for blending other things besides like smoothies. So you can blend other stuff as well. I like to blend old-fashioned oats to make a powder, and I use it in baking. So here is one blade. Here is another blade. So this is going to be the blade that I will use for my smoothies. And this size also, this is a really great size. So here is kind of a more medium size Here's one with a handle, super awesome. And then some caps. I love this, so you can just drink it right out of the container here. That makes things very convenient, and I don't have to dirty another cup by pouring it into a cup. So really awesome, love this. And I just drink a lot out of shaker cups, so this is very similar, very, very cool. So love this. And then here is just some, looks like some caps for storage. So yep, just some caps to put on, you can spin those on. And then, oh, here is some little rings for, you can just put over, so you can drink like straight out of here. So make it nice and smooth. So that is great. This is a really, really wonderful set. I am in love with this. So everything you need for your blend, so your smoothies or anything you need to blend. So this one says right on here, blend, which is great. This one is grind. Like I said, I do my oats, make them into a powder for baking. So great for this one. Love this. I'm gonna make my favorite smoothie that I have like all the time. So I'll show you how it works. All right, I have all my smoothie stuff here. So I'm gonna put it into my little cup, blend away, and super excited. I have smoothies quite often. I mean, not every day sometimes, but definitely multiple times a week. So I have my frozen fruit that I have ready to go at all times. I just do strawberries and blueberries for my frozen fruit. And then I love bananas, so I usually always put banana. And I do a little bit of yogurt, like a plain Greek yogurt, vanilla Greek yogurt's really great. So a couple scoops of that. You can just put whatever your favorite ingredients are, for sure. So, and I also add in a scoop of super greens. This stuff is delicious. So it gives, it's a little sweet, this super greens. We're always trying new super greens. I really like this one. My husband thinks it's a little bit too sweet. I'm gonna add some water to this, up to this fill line. And now I'm going to add on my little top and blend away. Super excited, and this is like my favorite smoothie. And so this has nice little silicone grippers here on the bottom. Okay, blends super quick and easy. Love that. Really great. So I'm going to add on this little top that has the spout to drink out of. There we go. Turn that on so I can just drink it straight from here. I love that. So my favorite smoothie. Love this blender. So great. Really good. Love it. It works so good.